It's hot here and it's hot in Philly for the convention. It's hot everywhere,
Hot
isn't
everywhere,
it?
yeah.
Then after this convention, it's get ready to rumble between now and November.
At least it's winding down.
Can't wait till the first debates. That'll be appointment television.
Yeah.
Well, let's take a look at our weather headlines. We're looking at a very hot week ahead. The Pioneer fire smoke will give us some patchy areas of smoke. I showed you the webcam this morning. It looks pretty hazy up there around Stanley, but they're kind of in the path of the prevailing winds. The winds pushing it towards the Stanley area. Saturday appears to be our warmest day in that extended forecast, and monsoonal moisture later in the week a possibility. That's still a ways off, but that is a possibility, and sometimes that could mean some thunderstorms in our area. About the only fire weather watches or warnings, a couple in Wyoming, and that is it. So that's, I guess, some good news, but man, it's going to be hot and dry this week. As far as any shower activity showing up on radar later today, about 6:15, maybe in southwestern Montana, and that's about it. Clear skies out there this morning. We're starting to warm up already. 65 degrees, winds at 7 miles per hour, and the humidity fairly low for this time of the morning at 34%. Well, most of the locations here in the valley in the mid 50s to upper 50s, but Boise a little bit warmer at 65. John Day is also fairly warm at 60, and so is Rome, Oregon at 62. Right now, we're forecasting a high of 100 today, so that's 7 degrees above normal, and the overnight low 4 degrees above normal at 66. It's going to be tough to break a record, even though it's going to be a hot week. Most of those records well into the triple digits pretty much each and every day. Water vapor is like an X-ray of our atmosphere. It says it's really dry in Northern California especially. All kinds of wildfire problems throughout the state of California. Pretty dry around southwestern Idaho too, with that darker area. The storm track well to the north, and that's where most of our precip is, except for the desert southwest. A little bit of that monsoonal moisture. Pretty much cloud free right on through Tuesday on into Wednesday. A little bit of shower activity in northern Idaho Panhandle on Wednesday, and Wednesday evening the possibility of some showers, just kind of hit and miss across mainly western Montana. That's about the closest precip to us. Clouds will be pretty scarce across our future cast. We're just going to let it roll here. At times maybe a little bit of scattered cloud cover in our east central mountains, and there's a little chance of some showers well to the north of us on Wednesday. As far as the temperatures, that's the big story. Look at the red, it has returned. Computer model has 96, but we're going with triple digit heat. The computer model often underdoes our temperatures by a few degrees, but even has some triple digits showing up in Caldwell for tomorrow. And then Wednesday looks pretty hot with a lot of red all across the Snake River Plain. So here's what our forecast says. Sunny and hot. Twin Falls high about 95 degrees. Sun Valley about 87. Sunny and hot for McCall and Cascade. You'll be in the upper 80s. And triple digit heat for many locations here in the valley, with some patchy smoke possible from the Pioneer fire. And until they get a handle on that, we might have to deal with that for not just this morning, but at least a couple mornings. And look at those highs, pretty much each and every day, pretty close to 100 degrees. Looks like Saturday, our warmest day, ahead of a weather system moving in for Sunday, cooling us down a bit. That's the look at weather.